Got the new dine-in exhaust, my first coffee run. Let's go. Oh my god, this sounds so good, bro. I can't get it up, bro. The sound is addicting. Shout out to my boy Ryan. His Instagram is right here. He's the whole reason why I got this exhaust, because he had the dine-in exhaust for a while, and I never actually heard him really gun it until the last Supra meet we went out to. He punched it and it just sounded so good. He has a Kenji downpipe. I have a CTS downpipe, but the sound that produced from the exhaust, bro, it like lit up around the trees and like the surrounding walls. It like really sounded like a race car, and that's the whole reason why I wanted to get this. Let's punch it. So fun. I can't get enough of that sound, man. It sounds so good. Turn action over here. Get her done, man. For anyone that's watching this, that's a GR Supra owner, the first mod you should get, if you want sound or even performance in general, get a downpipe first, if anything. If you're not going to get the exhaust with it, But don't get an exhaust. Honestly, really don't get an exhaust. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what exhaust you put on this car. If you have the stock downpipe on, it's not going to sound any different. It's going to be so restricted by the cat in the stock downpipe. It's literally choking to death. It's choking.